Have you waited for the hiring manager's call but that call never came? Or the HR called you and told you that you were not the right fit, but you knew you were? Most probably the problem is in your resume. But don't worry, it is not the end of the world. If you're watching this video, you're already on the right track. But before we go ahead, let's understand the basic purpose of a resume. Your resume or curriculum vitae is your own personal sales pitch. Think of a promotional flyer. The main purpose of the flyer is to give relevant information to the reader. The same is the case with your resume. And in this video, you're going to find out how to highlight these details and blow away any recruiter's mind away. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss an update. Most recruiters get hundreds of applications for a position, so having a short and a crisp headline under your name and a one-line summary about you is more than enough. For example, your headline can be data engineer with expertise in Python and your summary can be IT engineer with 3 years of experience in software development and testing. You can code in 15 different languages. That's great, but so can the other person applying for the job. Mention what did you achieve from that skill. For example, your accomplishment can be improved data mining processes, resulting in a 20% decrease in redundancy. It is a common myth that the recruiters go through each and every word in the resume because the matter of fact is they don't. So, it's better to be prepared for the situation when they don't. Use the steps mentioned in the next slide to make the skimming process easier. Every company publishes a job description. Read it thoroughly to pick the most useful keywords. Then, use those keywords in your resume to make it look more effective. For example, if you're applying for a data scientist position which requires hands-on experience in MySQL and data mining, then use those keywords in your resume to make it look more effective. Keeping your resume to one page makes it easier for hiring managers and recruiters to quickly learn the information that you want them to know about you. Platforms like Canva and Novo Resume offer free resume templates, which means you can use them and save your time. We hope that these tips help you in your next job. If they do let us know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, keep learning, keep growing, take care. Bye.